Hello BIM learners, welcome to BIMmodeler.com. So in this video tutorial, we're going to see how to adjust or make the wall finish to cover the floor. You know that when you have a floor and wall joining like this, and you'll have a difficulty seeing the proper connection between the floors, and you'll have a exposed floors in this place. Let's say that you want it like this. How do you do that? That's a video. So let's say we have a wall. In the wall property, you must have a wall property which is an internal structure, which is, would be a bricks or any concrete or anything, whatever the thickness that you have. Then make sure that it goes beyond that core boundary out of it. So once it is setup is done, wall, you have a proper wall settings. You know that plaster is not a core boundary. And once it is done, create a floor. And the thing is that you can pick a wall or you can draw a wall in the plan view, something like this. For understanding, I'm creating it here like this. You can create, or you can use the pick a wall option like this. And when you do that, you can go ahead to the top view. You will be able to see that when you pick a wall option, automatically it picks the core boundary, not the finish boundary. If you wanted to pick the finish boundary, you have to use this pick line option. But this is the main advantage that we have to pick the boundary of the core. Once it is done, you'll be able to draw the other sides that you needed like this, and you can finish it. So once it is done, you'll be able to see that it's created and it's in the footing floor. Make sure that we are in 3D, and so it goes that. I'll make sure that to the level 1. Now if you see that it's not attached, what I do is I'll copy this, just simply copy and paste it to the next level, to the level 2, and it comes like this. Now even sometime what happens is that the floor merges into that to the other elements, so it shouldn't happen like that. So how do we do that? To do that, we have to go and attach the top portion, the floor, select this wall, attach the top with this element, and now if you see that the internal core and the finish automatically are attached with the other element, and remaining objects we have. What do we do for the other side? So we have to stretch that to the bottom, and you have to attach the base with this element. Now if you see that it properly encloses, and this is how we'll be able to make the finish go beyond. Once it is done, it's not still done. Go to the join option, join these two walls. Now we have a proper finish between all these two levels. So two things we have to remember: the wall should have a finish property which is beyond the core, and the floor that what you are drawing, it should be in the intersection. The line should be intersection between the core and the finish. So when it happens, automatically we will be able to make sure that it joins properly, the finish joins properly like this. So that's it. See you on the series of other tutorials with this. Do follow BIM Modeler for more tutorials. If you learned this new, do share it with your friends, and that will be helpful for them and for us as well. Thank you so much. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.